kular hakan ikasni. Bangan tray hok yaki kamjong. Hok do.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpinda be ke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kot bat ki e-materials kindon ru ki mock test ban penkrai api na kabenda ka neat.
UMDC ke Mawson Ram Constituency ubah Alvin Saukme haka khandai ujulio ajak punrio ula pentip bah haka jenga kendu jong kinong yalam ke NPP na Mawson Ram mau pelang bat narani kor ya umuntrang ba ke jelau kon kasang ma ula pentip ba ke sarkar kan sependam no ya ke kontrak jong ke SAI Computers Limited ke basam bat lum ya ke bai thang boarding harani kor CNRD block ha Mawson Ram CNRD block bat ha mau pelang CNRD block Haka jenga keren mikla pathai kubor uba saukme ula kentu iki patba bakin long ki bayasha bat ongru ba sarkar kala kular bakan sependap no iya kani kakam hapok khandiat sengi
kum ki leaders jong ka NPP baro naka Mawson Ram constituency napo Ranikor constituency bat kunjul napo Kamoplang constituency nilaya don kejialam halor ka kam badai bat kasai computers kebadi pe ke boarding hakini hilai tuli ki constituency jungi syati charani kor Mawson Ram bat Moplang jukwa ban pentip hakmat jongki baro ba takajing budien jongi kumne ki leaders jongka NPP bat nilai kendo ya chief minister bat bu ya kajing dawa ban weng no chisendan ya kasai Computers Limited kepada pe ya ke boarding hagi tanjungi bat nilai ya ban budien bat chief minister biang menin janmiet hadin bang nilai kendo ya hayeng ju hakasan tarik hakaba uong chief minister ba undang pe benia ya kani ka kam hakano kedur ba pediang ya ke jing dawajungi anda menin janmiet ka kunhun jungi kale kendo biang ya chief minister bat la budien bat but chief minister la munjur ban terminate no ya ka kontrak jong kasai ninget ba ka kam pan terminate kadang ya chashan but hapo ki khandiap sni lese kan sapoi ka order ba kasai ka de ban mi no nang the na ka thain jungi ta kalong ka jimputip yang tajuk hibaro
Kublai yu chief minister hadin mengiyok kendo atau sni haka yeng kejungu tu si men step men santarik bat na ki dawam lakyar ba ngi khamla ban ye penbe atau sni te menen ke jamit ngi yo bani kendo ben sasisen bat ka kubor ka basmutanat kalong ba ulai ka assurance na klien kejungu ba ya kani ka sai company kumbalong menta un terminate no na kani ka Mawson Ram block Ranikor block but na po ka Moplang block kumju te ka ba kani baro ki ha po ka Mawson Ram subdivision te nga kerpa di pat ba kinchu yesha hakini ki khindia snihi kumangla batai phi bakan terminate no te sobha yesha but ngira tikna ba nakaliam jong ka sarkar kala simkia hadin baki yosno ya ka jiput jong upat ba te nakaliam jong sarkar kila kular bat kin pendat no akini kam hakini kandiat ni.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in. Bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.